Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Disraeli is a small city in the Chaudière-Appalaches region of southern Quebec, located along the shores of Lake Aylmer near the border of the eastern townships. The city has a population of roughly 2,500 people and is known for its waterfront setting, forestry history, and connection to outdoor recreation. Surrounded by forests, hills, and lakes, Disraeli reflects the natural landscapes that define much of this part of Quebec. The community was established during the 19th century as settlers expanded into the region through farming, forestry, and transportation development. Disraeli was named after British Prime Minister Benjamin Disraeli, one of the best-known political figures of the Victorian era. Early settlers in the surrounding area included people of both English and French background, reflecting the cultural mix that developed across many parts of southern Quebec during the 1800s. Lake Aylmer has always played a major role in the identity and development of Disraeli. The lake provided transportation routes, fishing opportunities, and access to natural resources during the early years of settlement. Over time, the waterfront also became important for tourism and recreation. Today, boating, kayaking, swimming, and fishing remain popular activities throughout the warmer months, attracting both residents and seasonal visitors to the area. Forestry and agriculture were among the main industries that supported the region during the 19th and 20th centuries. Large forests surrounding the community supplied timber for sawmills and construction, while farms developed across cleared sections of land near rivers and lakes. The natural environment shaped nearly every part of life in the region, from transportation routes to employment and settlement patterns. Even today, forests and farmland remain central features of the landscape surrounding Disraeli. Transportation also influenced the city's growth over time. Roads and railway connections, linking the region to larger centers such as Sherbrooke and Thetford mines, help support trade, industry, and tourism. Railways played an especially important role during the late 19th and early 20th centuries by allowing goods and passengers to move more easily across southern Quebec. These transportation links encouraged development and connected smaller communities to the wider regional economy. Nature continues to shape daily life throughout Disraeli and the surrounding countryside. Summers bring hiking, boating, fishing, cycling, and camping activities, while autumn transforms the forests with colorful foliage common throughout southern Quebec. Winters support snowmobiling, snowshoeing, skiing, and ice fishing across the region. Seasonal recreation remains an important part of the local economy and attracts visitors throughout the year. Disraeli also reflects the cultural blend found throughout many parts of southern Quebec. Historic churches, older homes, schools, and community buildings reflect both English and French influences connected to the area's settlement history. Over time, French became the dominant language across much of the region, although English-speaking heritage remains visible in local place names and historical records. This combination of influences helped shape the identity of communities throughout the region. The surrounding Chaudiere-Appalaches and Eastern Townships regions are known for lakes, forests, rolling hills, and rural communities. Nearby parks and recreation areas attract visitors interested in nature and outdoor tourism. Smaller municipalities such as Disraeli continue to maintain strong connections to the land, waterways, and industries that shaped their history over generations. Today, Disraeli remains closely connected to Lake Aylmer and the natural environment surrounding the city. Waterfront recreation, tourism, forestry traditions, and regional history continue to shape the local identity. Visitors passing through Disraeli experience a community influenced by lakeside living, changing seasons, and the long history of settlement and industry in southern Quebec. Thanks for watching!